We don't have those kind of problems. Very dry though, and
yeah,
warm. I'm shocked that it was almost 80 degrees today.
I know. We did make it into the upper 70s. We certainly do need to see that rain. Fire danger has been an issue today. The fire threat has been elevated. We certainly need to see that rain. We are in a drought, but I don't have a whole lot of rain in the forecast. Today, it was certainly dry and very warm. Temperatures made it into the upper 70s, high of 78 degrees. The record, though, is 79 from back in 1982, so just that close. The normal being 56 degrees today. Right now, we're still sitting at 77 degrees, and the wind is coming in out of the northwest at 12 miles an hour. If my voice sounds any kind of funny, well, it's because of this mountain cedar right now. It's in that high category, and it's not going to go down anytime soon. We're in the mid-70s around Denton, upper 70s in Dallas, mid-70s in Terrell, and upper 70s in Fort Worth. Satellite and radar showing we did have quite a bit of cloud cover earlier this morning, but as we've gone throughout the afternoon, we've seen a lot more sunshine. Tonight, we're going to stay mostly clear, at least originally, but then initially, but by tomorrow morning, skies become partly cloudy. So clouds will be increasing eventually. Now, this is going to be tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. So clouds increase during the day, calling it partly cloudy, but we are still tracking that next storm system that's going to be well out to the west. You can see the rain and even some snow showers across parts of Arizona and New Mexico. That will be making its way east, but as it moves into North Texas, it looks like the bulk of the rain will stay just north of the Red River into Oklahoma, but some of our far northwest counties could get at least a little bit of rain. We're still going to keep that 20% coverage of rain in the forecast for the Metroplex for now, but it's looking drier and drier. So we'll fine tune that forecast as new data comes in. By the time we get to Thursday evening, there will still be at least a chance of some rain in far eastern Texas, but that's it. On the backside of this, it's going to be cold enough where snow showers will even be a possibility in the Texas and Oklahoma panhandle, but that moves off to the north and east. So across North Texas, of course, it's just been too warm. We're not expecting any kind of precipitation that looks like that. Tonight, temperatures drop down into the mid and upper 40s, so it's going to be a cool start to your Wednesday. Not terribly cold, about 45 degrees in Denton, 44 in McKinney, 48 in Waxahachie, and 46 tomorrow morning in Corsicana. Tomorrow afternoon looks unseasonably warm again, a solid 20 degrees warmer than most locations. 77 degrees in Dallas, 77 in Denton, when the normal's 56, 78 in Fort Worth, 80 degrees tomorrow in Waxahachie, and about 82 tomorrow in Granbury. So for tonight, skies will be partly cloudy. It's still going to get a little chilly. It's just not going to be terribly cold. Temperatures drop down into the upper 40s, and the wind, it's going to stay light out of the north. But tomorrow afternoon, the wind shifts back to the south. We're looking partly cloudy. I think we stay dry all day tomorrow. So any chance of rain holds off until late tomorrow night after midnight into Thursday morning. So tomorrow, going with a high of 77 degrees. We're keeping the mid to upper 70s around on Thursday. Now on Thursday, it looks blustery. The wind's going to be out of the southwest, so that's going to keep us nice and warm, but there is going to be that 20% coverage of rain. We're going to be dry on Friday, but the cold front comes in Friday night. So we're going to go from 72 degrees on Friday to the upper 50s on Saturday. Mid 50s expected on Sunday. The 50s stick around for a couple of days. The second half of that 14-day, we see lots of 50s and 60s with absolutely no chance of rain outside of this one chance on Thursday. Guys, back to you.